It was the middle of the night, and I remember getting these really intense sharp pains in my lower region. And I thought it was gonna go away, and I thought at one point maybe I was having an appendicitis attack, but the pain got progressively stronger. So bad that I had to be rushed to the hospital. When I got to the hospital, they rushed me right in, and they had to do a CT scan, and what they had found was that I was bleeding internally up into my lung cavity. The doctors had no idea what was wrong. After probably about an hour of surgery, and 4 of the city's top surgeons, they had concluded that it was a cyst that had ripped off a piece of my right ovary, which was causing me to bleed internally. So I spent a week in the hospital recovering around the people who I love the most. 24 staples in my abdomen later, and a 6-inch scar, epidurals, blood transfusions, horrible hospital food. I spent months of very painful recovery, really trying to understand why this had happened to me. And then it came to me. It was the dampness that my Chinese medical doctor had warned me about that I was prone to getting, that essentially congealed into cysts in my reproductive region. Now, dampness can be loosely translated as candida, and it all begins in the digestive system, and it explains a lot in terms of how I was feeling inside and out. Horrible digestive issues, constantly feeling tired no matter how much sleep I got. The acne that I had suffered for years with, at one point I couldn't even run my hand over my forehead without feeling a bunch of little moguls. And the depression and the anxiety that I had suffered silently for years with, I knew I had to make a change. Not just in my diet, but in my lifestyle, the choices that I was making, the things that I was thinking, the amount of exercise I was getting. I needed a complete overhaul. And so I did. I made huge changes. And you know what the crazy thing is? I feel more young and vital at 35 years old than I did at 25. So based on my personal and professional experience as a nutritionist and acupuncturist, I have since been successfully helping others with their dampness. And I felt that it was time to actually release an online program geared toward it, which is exactly where the Damp Detox comes in. The Damp Detox is a 2-phase, 30-day program. The 2 video cooking tutorials will help you have fun in the kitchen, easily navigate it, and make cooking a breeze. Then what makes this unique, other than all those other online programs out there, is that every single person signing up will receive a 1-hour Skype consultation with me, so I can really fine-tune what's going on. In fact, support and motivation is critical in the successful completion of any program. So what will you choose? Aren't you tired of suffering already?